My hair actually looks quite nice. I could leave it in like this for a bit. No, I need to wash it. I really need to wash my hair. So, yeah. Hello, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. First of all, thank you very much for clicking this video. My name is Sweetie Anang, and today I'm going to show you how I take down these 8-week-old box braids and how I prep my hair for wash day. If you like this video, don't forget to click the like button. Definitely comment your thoughts, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So first of all, I'm just going to take this out of the updo that I did. And yeah, just 2 ends. Have some beads in there, so I'm going to take these the metal, the jewelry thingy, I don't know what it's called. Okay, so yeah, I had already taken out some of the hair accessories like previously, so just making sure that it's all out, and I'll start taking these down. So I'm just going to snip the end just so that I'm not sure where my hair length is exactly, so I'll just cut off the part that I don't see any of my own hair before I remove the braids. I'm using the tip of the rat tail comb. There we have it. It's a bit damp, but I'm just going to clear this out. I use the rubber band method, so I have the rubber bands still in there. I'm going to leave it as is, and then when I take down everything before I deal with the bands. Whew. So I'm down to my last to take down, and I'm so tired. I'll need to grab some lunch and come and finish this. But yeah, this is my hair, still in the rubber band state. So I have the rubber bands in. I haven't taken this out yet, and so I'll just do this last bit, and then I'll take a break because I'm tired. Last piece. Whew. That felt like a workout. So I'm just gonna grab some lunch and I'll come back to continue this video. Oh, my hair actually looks quite nice. I could leave it in like this for a bit. No, I need to wash it. I really need to wash my hair. So yeah, welcome back. This is the next day. Yesterday I went on break in the afternoon for lunch, and yeah, when I came back the light just wasn't as bright in my room anymore, so I decided to just forgo it, and this is day 2. I put my hair up in the satin scarf to sleep, and today we're just going to focus on detangling my hair. I'll take out the elastic bands from the roots, and I'll be using the Tresemme. I'll be using this conditioner in a spray bottle with water. So there you have it, just to finger detangle my hair. I don't detangle with the brush, especially after I come out of the braids. So I would use the brush to detangle when I'm in the shower washing my hair, which will probably be tomorrow. It's actually relatively easy to pull down the elastic bands because I oiled them before. Oh, it snapped. I oiled them before tying them in my hair, and they're still quite oily. And see, my hair is not as much, it's not tangled as much, so this will be a relatively quick and easy process. I think I should pull my hair up together and just work in bits. Okay. Get these plastic out. Slides right down. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you how I finger detangle this section, and then I will stitch the rest of the video. All the shed hair. Don't know if you can see that. The shed hair is just coming up. Like so. So I'll just quickly put this away and deal with the other portion. Finally. That was very tiring and my back is killing me. But thankfully, I'm done. My hair is all detangled. I used just my fingers and luckily it wasn't that much tangled up anyways, and so it was a relatively easy and smooth process. It's just still took a while, but I had been keeping myself company with watching something off Netflix, so there we have it. I usually wash my hair in twists, but because it's been in braids for so long, I'll just take out these twists and then wash everything, and then I will deep condition overnight, and tomorrow I'm going to rinse out the conditioner and style my hair. Thank you for sticking it out with me throughout this video. I appreciate the time you taken to watch me unravel my braids and detangle my hair with my fingers. And as you're aware, this is the first hair video that I'm putting out on YouTube, so just comment whatever videos you want to see me do and I will do them for you. Don't forget to like this video and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you in later videos. Enjoy the rest of your day and stay safe. Bye.